Hi, this is Michael from Material. We are about to transfer your Ethereum or USDT from an exchange to your Material wallet. Before moving forward, make sure to read our manual to learn the best security practices when you manage crypto. Go to your exchange and find the option to send, deposit, or transfer crypto. Type down the amount of Ethereum or USDT to be transferred. Choose the Ethereum network, otherwise you may lose your funds you are transferring. Copy and paste the address or scan the QR code of your Material wallet. Do not type down directly the address. If you make a typo, you may lose all your funds. That would be it. Make sure the transfer was done by checking the balance of your wallet.